Hi dear sweeties, how are you all? Are you all fine? First of all, I wish you all a very happy and prosperous Onam. Celebrate Onam very safely. Stay safe. Today we will study division by a two-digit device. All of you please listen here. Put down all your pencil and listen here. Okay. Till now we studied division of a divisor with one digit. Now we are going to study division of a two-digit divisor. It is very simple. You know the multiplication table of 10. Look here, I am giving multiplication table of 11. All of you look here, division of a divisor with a two digit. You all know the multiplication table of 11. It is same as 1, 11 1, 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 3, 33, 11 4, 44, 11 5, 55, 11 6 are 66, 11 7, 77, 11 8, 88, 11 9, 99, 11 10, 110. This is very easy multiplication table. Today we will do division with 11. Look here. I write 11. 11 is the divisor. 189 is the dividend. I put 11 outside. This 189 inside. As this is two-digit number, I am not taking this one digit. I am taking this two digit, 18. So how many times in 18? 11 in 18. How many times 11 in 18? One time. We know that 1 11 is 11. 2 11s are 22. So 1. I write 1 here. 11. Draw line. Subtract. 8 minus 1. 7. 1 minus 1. 0. Look here. 8 minus 1, 7. Bringing down this 9 here. 79. How many times in 79? 7 times. I put 7 here. 77. Draw line. 9 minus 7, 2. 7 minus 7, 0. So our quotient equal to quotient equal to 17, remainder equal to 2. Then we have to check our answer. Check our answer. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Put this in the box. Then we have to do the multiplication. 70 into 11. 1 into 7, 7. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 7, 7. 1 into 1, 1. Look here. 7, 8, 1. Equal to divisor into quotient how much? 187 plus remainder 2, that is equal to 189. Here the dividend equal to 189. So our answer is correct. Learn this problem. Write this in your notebook and learn this. Okay. Seven. 1 plus 7, 8. 1. 187 plus 2. Remainder 2. It will become 189. That is dividend 189 and answer is also 189. Copy it in your notebook and study well. Okay. Look at the second question. 5270 divided by 25. Here divisor is 25, dividend is 5270. How will you divide? Write divisor outside, dividend 5270 inside. Then here divisor has 2 digits. So I have to take 2 digits from here. Draw line. Look here. Here divisor has 2 digits. So in the dividend part I have to take 2 digits, that is 52. How many times 25 in 52? We know that 125 is 25. We can calculate 2 into 25, 5 into 2, 10, balance 1, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 50. So I can take 225 out of 52. I write 50 here. Draw a line. Subtract 2 minus 0, 2. 5 minus 5, 0. Then bringing down 7 to this place. Now it become 27. How many times 25 goes in 27? We know that 1 time. 1 into 25, 25. 2, 25, 50. So I am writing here 1, 25 here. Draw line. Subtract 7 minus 5, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Then bringing down this 0 to this place. Look here. I cannot subtract 25 from 20. I cannot take 25 from 20. So I put here 0. 0 into 25, 0. Draw line. Subtract 0 minus 0, 0. Bringing 2. 2 minus 0, 2. So the answer is quotient equal to 210, remainder equal to 20. How will you check the answer? Check dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, that is equal to dividend how much? 5270 equal to divisor how much? 25 into quotient 210 plus 20, that is equal to 25 into 210. 210 into 25. 0 into 5, 0. 1 into 5, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 2, 0, 0. 1, 2 is 2. We are multiplication goes from right to left and division goes from left to right. 1, 2 is 2. 2, 2s are 4. Then adding all this 0, 5, 2, 5 plus remainder 20. 0, 7, 2, 5. 5270. So our answer is correct. Look at the third question. 35,475 divided by 15. How will you divide this number? This is a divisor and this is a dividend. Write divisor outside and dividend inside. 15 outside, dividend 35,475 inside the bracket. Look here. Here in the divisor part, how many numbers? Here 2 digit. So shall I take 1 digit only? No. For successive division, I have to take 2 digits. So I am taking 2 digits here. Now this become 35. How many times 15 in 35? I know. We know that 15 into 1 equal to 15. We can find how many times 2 times of 52. How much? 5 into 2, 10. Carry over 1. 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 30. So I can easily divide this. 2 times 30. Draw a line. Subtract 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 3, 0. I am bringing this 4 to this place. Then 54. Now it becomes 54. How many times 15 in 54? We know that 15 into 2 equal to 30. 15 into 3. 5 3s are 15. Carry over 1. 1 into 3, 3. 3 plus 1, 45. Look here, it is 54. We can find how many times 4. 15 4s are. 5 4s are 20. 0. Carry over 2. 1 into 4, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. It is 60. Can I write 60 here? No. So, how much? 3. 15 into 3 equal to 45. Draw a line. Subtract. Here, I cannot subtract 5 from 4. So, I have to rearrange this as 14 ones and 4 tens. Now this become 14. 14 minus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 9. 4 minus 4, 0. Bringing down this 7 to this place. Now it becomes 97. How much 15 goes how many times in 97? We have to find out. 15 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Carry over 2. 1 5 is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 75. 15 into 6. 5 6 are 30. Carry over 3. 1 6 is 6. 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. 90. I can write 90 here. How many times? 6. 15 into 6 equal to 90. Draw a line. 7 minus 0, 7. 9 minus 9, 0. Bringing down this 5 to this place. How many times? 75. 5. 5 into 15 equal to 75. Draw a line. Put subtract. 0, 0. Remainder equal to 0. Quotient equal to 2365. Remainder equal to 0. I put 2 0 because here 2 0 as a remainder. So now we can check the answer. Check the answer. Check the answer with the equation dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is dividend equal to 35,475 equal to divisor. Divisor is 15 into quotient 2365 plus 0. Find out the answer and do one question as homework.